Quebec, hold short of taxiway Sierra. Quebec, hold short of Sierra, Delta. Convoy 4051, Yankee, hold short of 12. Hold short of 12, Delta 1514, let's see here, just join Papa to the ramp. Go ahead, keep moving, Papa to the ramp. Alright, Papa to the ramp, Delta 1514, yeah. 1350, cross 12 and go straight ahead to the ramp, and you can contact ramp control. See ya, have a good one. 131 uniform and go to range 27. Eastern 503, Miami, cross 12, I want you to exit at Sierra, you see where Delta's at, exit behind them, go straight ahead to the ramp. 12 exit Sierra, to the ramp. Number 4051, cross 12 Yankee, grounds 1.8 in the back ship. Tower, good afternoon, La Peru 26, Niner Heavy, I am Hello, Nana. Break, quick takeoff, or an hold on, 36 Two-way turbulence following the Super Airbus, and there'll be a 76 holding in position, Niner, clear to land. Get to land, runway 9, La Peru 26, Niner. Michael 2827, American, 2986, just outside of Heathrow for 12. Super, follow the vehicle, hold short of 12. Follow the vehicle, hold short of 16. 2000 westbound towards the departure end. Aircraft crosses the birds in the vicinity of the airport. American London Heathrow, hello, just inside, thanks for the set. Echo 2827, heavy on up, Baller runway 9, close to go. On the Baller runway 9, clear for takeoff, left call 2827.